Find the volume of this sphere correct to one decimal place. So first of all, we know that volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r power 3. So in this sphere, the radius is 7.2 centimeters. So now we just substitute that in the formula. So V is equal to 4 over 3 times pi times the radius cube, so which is 7.2 power 3. So 4 over 3 times pi times 7.2 power of 3, which is cube, which equal to 1563.45 and so on. So just write this number down first, which is equal to 1563.457 and so on. But we need to correct to one decimal place, so which equal to 1563. Now before we write 1563.4, so we have to check the number that after 4, which is 5. So from 5 onward, we need to round up. So which is instead write 0.4, we write so 0.5. And don't forget the unit, which is cubic centimeters. Find the exact volume of this sphere. So we know that volume V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now this times the radius is half of 16 because 16 is the diameter of the sphere. So we go 16 divided by 2, the diameter divided by 2, which give me the radius, which is half of 16 is 8. So therefore, which is equal to 4 over 3 pi times 8 power 3. Now because we need to find the exact volume, all we need to do is we just type this in the calculator. So which is 3 over 4 times 8 power 3. So I just bring the calculator up. So 4 over 3 times 8 to the power 3, which is cube. So this is it. So 2048 over 3. So do not forget the pi as well. So which is equal to 2048 over 3 pi, which is over 3, and which is write the pi down. Or it can be written as 2048 pi over 3. And the unit is cubic centimeters. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first of all, we know that the volume of the sphere is V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now the radius of this billiard ball is 3 centimeters. So we just go 4 over 3 times pi times 3 power 3. Now because we want to find the exact volume, so you can just work out 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3. And then 4 over 3 times that. You can just cancel this. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So the answer is 36 pi cubic centimeters. Otherwise, you can just use calculator. So all you need to do is just go 4 over 3 times 3 to the power 3. That's all. So 36. And then that is 36 pi cubic centimeters. Find the volume of the soccer ball in terms of pi. That means it's exact. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first of all, the volume V of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed, and the radius is half of the diameter, because 12 is the diameter of the soccer ball. So which is the radius is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So the radius is 6 centimeters. So which is equal to 4 over 3 pi times 6 to the power 3. So I just put this in the calculator. That is 4 over 3 times 6 to the power 3. So this is it. So 288. So which is 288, and don't forget the pi, okay? So which is pi, and the unit is cubic centimeters. Find the volume of this hemisphere correct to the nearest cubic centimeters. So first of all, we know that the volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r power 3. But then it's only half of the sphere, so we just times by a half, or divide by 2 if you like. So we know that the radius of this is half of 16, because 16 is the diameter of the sphere. So we go 16 divided by 2, so that is 8. So now we just substitute the value in. So 4 over 3 pi times the radius cube, which is 8 to the power 3, times by a half. So the answer is correct to nearest cubic centimeters. So this means that we have to answer in whole number if you like. So I just bring the calculator up first. So now all I need to do is just plug this number on a calculator. So 4 over 3 times pi times 8 to the power 3, which is cube, and times a half, or divided by 2. So which is equal to 1072.33 and so on. So I better just write this out first. 1072.33 and so on. So to round up to nearest cubic centimeters, so we just write up to here. Now don't forget, check the number that after 2, which is less than 5. So the answer is 1072 cubic centimeters. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first one. So volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So this time is only half of sphere, so we just times by half. And then we just substitute the radius in. So radius in this case here is 10. So 4 over 3 times pi times 10 to the power 3, and times a half, or divide by 2 if you like. Or now all I need to do is just put that in a calculator. So 4 divided by 3, I can type like this as well, times pi times 10 power 3 is 1000 if you like. Otherwise, just put this exactly the same on a calculator. Divide by 2 or times a half. So which is equal to this. So the answer is correct to 2 decimal place. So the answer should be 2094.40, because the 5 is after 9. So add 1 to 9 is 10. So it becomes 40 instead of 39. So which equal to 2094.40 cubic centimeters. Part B. So we know that the volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And because it's half of a sphere, so we just times by half, or divide by 2. And the radius in this case is 12 centimeters. So we just go 4 over 3 pi times 12 power 3, and then times by half. So now I just put that in the calculator, which equal to 4 over 3 times pi times 12 cube, and then divide by 2, or times a half. So which is 3619.114 and so on. But because we only round up to 2 decimal place, so I just write this down first, which is equal to 3619.1147 and so on. So to round up to 2 decimal places, we need to write up to 0.11. So before we write 0.11, because the number after 1 is 4, which is less than 5, so the answer is 3619.11 cubic centimeters. Thank you so much for watching.